Hello everyone, I am Chetan Nandakumar Satarkar from Vidya Pratishthan Indapur English Medium School, and my topic is plants around us. There are many plants around us. All big plants we call trees, and all the plants and trees are useful to us. There are many types of trees, and in this topic today we will learn the types of plants as well as the uses of plants and how the plants are useful for our environment. Thank you.
So just before we start, okay, every day, now I will start, every day just we will come school or you play, then afterwards, every day you play, okay? And afterwards, just what you do, you go to your kitchen and eat something, okay? You want to eat something always. So these all the eating foods from where this all the food we get. हे कुठून मिळतं आपल्याला? From where this all the food get? So just see one video. Okay, just listen carefully. Huh?
Hi friends, isn't my garden lovely?
आवाज येतोय
See
का
the different types of
Can you
plants I
listen?
have in my garden. That's a big, strong plant. It's a tree.
Okay, very
Trees
good.
are the biggest and tallest plants around. Trees have a thick, woody stem called a trunk and many branches. Trees come in different shapes and sizes and live for many years.
But हे कुठून येते सगळं? From where we get these all the things, all the eating material, all the things we get from the trees. Okay, and today we are going to learn more
See
about
this
trees.
rose plant?
Okay, plants
It's a
around
shrub.
us and trees around
Shrubs
us.
are much smaller than trees. The stem of a shrub breaks into many hard and woody branches. Shrubs live for a few years at least. I love the smell of mint leaves. Do you know that mint is a herb? Herbs have soft green stems. They live for a short time only. If you want to learn more about different plants,
So,
just
you know
click
that
the ones you see in my
these are
garden.
all the types of the plants and types of the tree. Okay, so trees, some plants grow big, some plants remain small, some plants grow big, some plants grow small. So these all the big plants are called trees. Okay, these all the big plants are called trees. Okay, now I want to ask Shaurya Yadav, on your only mic and tell me the name of trees are available in your area. Shaurya Yadav, just tell me the name of the trees are available in your area.
English mango.
Very good. Okay, now Shaurya, mute yourself. Arohi, can you tell me any medicinal plants that are available in your area or your garden? Arohi. Arohi. Okay, hibiscus. Very good. Okay, mute yourself, Arohi. Very good. Okay, banda kara. Hey, mic banda kara, Arohi. Very good. Okay, means in our area there are many plants and trees are available. Arohi, mute yourself. Okay, and these all the plants are some plants are medicinal, some plants are, you know that every plants are helpful, and every trees. Okay, so some plants gives us every day. For example, just I want to take a tulsi plant. From tulsi plant we make kadha nowadays. You know that COVID-19, and our mother and our grandmother also just put some leaves and put into the hot water, and we boil and just drink that water. Okay, and it is very healthy and helpful to our body. Okay, so you know that these are the all the trees and all the plants are helpful. See the example, see the picture. Banyan tree. Banyan tree is a very, you know that banyan trees are plants, is a big tree. Okay, it's a gulmohar tree. Light green. My voice is coming. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So these all the trees means this is a coconut tree. Okay, just we will see the description of.
Banyan, gulmohar, and coconut are trees.
आवाज
Trees
येतोय
give
ना?
us shade. The gulmohar tree has lovely flowers. The coconut tree gives us coconuts, coir, and many other useful materials.
Each and every tree gives us something. Okay, coconut, from coconut tree, what we get? See,
Banyan, gulmohar, and coconut are trees. Trees give us shade. The gulmohar tree has lovely flowers. The coconut tree gives us coconuts, coir, and many other useful materials.
okay, from coconut tree we get coconut. Also, we will make mats also. Okay, see.
Banyan, gulmohar, and coconut are trees. Trees give us shade. The gulmohar tree has lovely flowers. The coconut tree gives us coconuts, coir, and many other useful materials.
Means each and every plant gives us something to us. Okay,
Hibiscus and jasmine are shrubs.
these are the
The
shrubs.
stem of
Now
these
these are the
plants
types of
breaks
plants.
into many branches from the bottom.
One type.
Sunflower, coriander, tulsi, and spinach are herbs.
These are all
They have
herbs.
small roots and soft stems.
These are the small roots
We
and
use
soft
herbs
stems.
in food, medicines, and also to make
See,
scent.
we will get food, medicines, and oils from the herbs also. Okay. See, all the trees are very helpful. Now I want to share one PPT to you. Okay. See, each and every plants are different size, different shape, and different color. Okay. See, I have some leaves. I want to share you. See, if you see this leaf, this is a show plant's leaf, but it's a round in shape. Okay. So I want to share next leaf to you. So this is see different shape. This is different in shape. This also you see yellow color and green color mixed. Okay, means each and every shape of the plants are different. Okay, each and every shape of the plants are different and size also different. Okay, next we will see the next plant. See, if you see this rose plant's leaf, it's also different. Okay, some trees leaves are flat, some are short. See, this is the very short leaf. If you see, these leaves are very short. Okay, so these all the leaves are very short, very sticky. Okay, so each and every trees are, some trees are big, some trees are small. Each and every trees are different to each other. Okay, Shaurya Vare, video, mute off your video. Okay, so these all the trees are important in our life. Okay, so there are many types of fruits, there are many types of flowers in, we will see in our area. Okay, so for example, now I will tell you that rose plant. Okay, in the rose plant there are many types of rose you see, and colors and shape also. Okay, sometimes you know that big roses are there, button roses are also are there. Then another, colors also different, some fragrances also, flowers are different. Okay, means I want to tell here, shape of the flowers, shape of the tree, shape of the color are different to each other. Okay, so trees are, the plants are called big trees, and these are the trunk and tall. Okay, if you see the example of banyan tree, these are the example of tree. Trees are very strong, and its stem, see the my arrow, its stems are very thick and strong. Okay, and it gives us oxygen to us. Okay, trees gives us pure air to us. That is very important. Okay, so each and every time trees, all the plants are helps us. Okay, so these are the trees. Then next one we will take an example of tree, it's a climber. Okay, climbers are the plants that are some plants are weak, they cannot stand on their own, so they need support to stand. Okay, so they need to support to stand. This, all the trees are called climbers. Okay, so climbers need to stand. Okay, these are the example of climbers. Okay, they cannot stand their own. So you know that in our if our mother or our father plant trees in one plot, one pot, and just it is a climber, that time just they put one stick into the that pot. For example, our money plant, you know that money plant, you know that our mother or our grandmother also put one stick or one just put a one thread also, and just hanging the one some there. Okay, means it needs support, it needs support. That the reason they just after that need support, they will grow. Okay, this is the example of climber. Such as same as the example, just we will see the next type is the creepers. Creeper also same type. Okay, it's same also, they also need to support, but their fruits are heavy. Due to the heaviness, they sprayed on the ground. Okay, all the creeper sprayed on the ground, and the example of creepers are given here: pumpkin, then watermelon, muskmelon, and muskmelon. The example of the creepers means you see the heavy fruit. Okay, due to the heavy fruits, they cannot climb also, so they when they grow, they just only sprayed on the ground. Okay, they sprayed on the ground, and they then afterwards the flowers and the fruits will come. The example I will give you, pumpkin and watermelon and muskmelon also. Okay, so these are the example of creepers. Okay, means all the creepers, all the climbers, all the trees also are helpful. Now we will see the example of the pumpkin. These are very important, and you like to eat watermelon when you are in the hot temperature. Okay, so or summer season, you like to eat watermelon. Okay, next type, just we will I want to share you, that is the plant are very small, and you know that all the plants are some medicinal plants are. Now I take example of tulsi. Okay, then mint. These are the examples, just we some girl also told. Okay, so all the medicinal plants also helps us. Okay, now I told you that each and every plants leaves are different to each other. Some are big, some are short, some are flat, some are round in shape. Okay, so see here the example of leaves also I will share you. Here are the example of grass leaf. If you see, take the glass, it's a long leaf. If you see the rose leaf, it's a different shape. Then guava's leaf also different shape, banana leaves also different shape, then hibiscus, then if you see here pine trees example. Okay, then lotus example, lotus leaf also round in shape, means each plant, each tree have a different size, different shape, different color, different flowers, different fruits also are there. Okay, so means each and every parts of the trees also are not same, these are the different to each other. Okay, and next one we will see. See, each and every plant are very useful. Many uses of, if you see, first use is very important, that is oxygen. Oxygen is very important to us, and trees gives us oxygen. That is a very important thing. Okay, so we need oxygen to live, and trees gives that. Okay, so you know that nowadays I told you before just half hour period, I told you one example. Now for example here Arohi's birthday is there. Okay, I just only take example. Arohi's 9th birthday she will celebrate, so I want to just only tell share one thing to that. You plant 9 trees because Arohi is going to now 9 years. She's become a 9 year. So Arohi planted 9 trees every year. Just next year she turned 10 years. So she planted 10 trees. Okay, if you will, we will decide like these tricks or like these ideas. So you know that our garden also become a nice, beautiful, and our you know that society as well as we plant more and more trees. Okay, it will gives us many things. Okay, trees gives us oxygen, also plants gives us medicines. Okay, then trees also gives us clothes, then papers. Now you are writing every day, you are reading now your textbook also, you see these textbooks, your notebooks also made from the trees also. Okay, and it is our duty to save all the trees, all the plants. Okay, each and every human being plant more and more trees. And I told you now the ideas of when you are going to celebrate your birthday, you plant trees. Okay, you are turning to 12, you plant 12 trees. If your mother also, if you celebrate your father, your mother, and each and every family's birthday, you plant that years or that much trees. Okay, understood what I told you. So plants are very important, boys and girls. You plant minimum 2 or 3 plants each and every month. Okay, so and you take care after the when you plant trees, you take care, you give sunshine, you give water every day to them. Okay, and it is very important to us because after some days we are telling just plant trees. You know that there are many problems nowadays we are facing, and one of them is COVID-19. Okay, so due to this type of diseases are coming because of what? Because of just reducing these all the natural things, and one of them is the trees and the plants. So you plant more and more trees and reduce, and these all the things are coming or happening in every day in our life. Okay, so now I ask here Shaurya, Arohi. Arohi, can you listen me? Arohi, tell me one thing. Arohi, Arohi,
Yes, sir.
I want to know that. Now tell me the uses of one use of tree. Can you tell me one use of tree?
One use of street, sir.
One only
One
use
use
of
of
tree. only one use of tree?
Zero.
Yes. Arohi? Okay. Ware or Shaurya Yadav, can you tell me one use of tree? Can you on your mic? Can anyone tell me the use of tree? The uses of trees? Can anyone? Arohi?
Oxygen.
Okay, trees gives us oxygen. Okay, who told the answer? Who told the answer? Very good, Shaurya, very good. Okay, means you just only तुम्हाला हे तरी कळालं की trees gives us oxygen and trees also gives us many things that I told you. Okay, so it is our duty, duty to plant more and more trees. Okay, so boys and girls, all you plant minimum every month one tree, and you take care after planting trees. Okay, so we will learn today types of plants, okay, and the uses of trees. Okay, so boys and girls, today we will stop here and wish you a happy Diwali in advance. You take care of yourself and your family members. Okay, bye everyone.
Teacher, school.